dalawa friend.
Turn to your left. Candidate, another turn to your left.
Left.
And that's great. Candidate, another turn to your left. And a final turn to your left. Okay, hi Reden. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Reden Serious. Junior Development Communication Journalism major. I'm 20 years old and there.
Do you have a motto in life?
Definitely I have a lot of motto, but I stand by the motto na you realize the importance of something whenever that something is gone. So this is the motto that stand.
Is that based on experience?
Yeah, that would be because do I have to explain?
Take your seat, gentlemen. Is this your first time to join beauty?
Yeah. Any content that does not entirely include your brain. It's my first time to.
Wow.
I have joined a lot of content that is about brain. It's about my brain or intellectual things. But when it comes to like beauty, no, because I know I'm not beautiful.
So my question then is, listen. Mr. Redencio Reyes, you are now the 2012 Mr. CA.
Thank you.
What is Mr. CA?
Mr. CA, some might laugh at because it's the College of Agriculture, and when you heard the word agriculture, you would if you're an outsider from the College of Agriculture, you would definitely laugh at it because agriculture lang yan eh. That's what they would say. But being the representative or being the winner of the College of Agriculture, of Mr. College of Agriculture, it would mean that beyond the stereotypical definition of being agriculture na nagagawin lang, being Mr. of College of Agriculture would mean that you have the guts, you have the brain and the beauty to represent the college and be able to compete kahit saan kayo punta, and you will stand out even if they laugh at you because of the seemingly mababang pagtingin sa College of Agriculture. That's what I want to uplift, the pagtingin ng tao sa College of Agriculture.
To wrap it up, in one word, what is Mr. CA?
It's a privilege because not everything is. It's a privilege because you've earned it eh. You've earned it because pag sinabi mong privilege, hindi lang siya basta-basta, diba? Parang ganun.
Thank you.